So I'm gonna give you guys some temperature readings. Right now, my oven damper has not been activated because as I mentioned, I'm doing my first burn. The thermometer is saying 200 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna give you guys some internal measurements. Back of the oven is at 330. The left-hand side of the oven is at 355. Left-hand side of the oven is at 330. And the bottom of the oven is at 315 degrees. So average, I'd say we got about a 340 degree Fahrenheit oven temperature right now, which the oven damper is not even activated. So again, nice hot temperature for baking. Okay, we're gonna read the center plate reading. The top of the stove, 256. Okay, let's do this top right corner. 220. Directly over the oven. Okay, our chimney pipe measurement. 250 on our pipe right now. Firebox side panel, top panel, 107, 96, 98, 88, 70. Okay, that is on the right-hand side of the stove, which is where your firebox is located. On your oven side of the stove, soapstone panel top, 160, 170, 37, 102, 74. Bottom measurement on the pan drawer, 84, 79. Front glass, about 800 almost. So I'm gonna give you guys some baking temperatures right now. I've had a nice hot fire going. As you can see, my hot fire is getting to be burned down. So I'm going to give you my temperature readings. I would say that the stove has been going for about an hour now. So my oven is saying just over 300 degrees Celsius, so I'm gonna give you some internal measurements. Something to keep in mind, don't leave your oven open too long, the heat will dissipate. So back of the oven, the left-hand side of the oven, the right-hand side of the oven, and the bottom of the oven. So we are definitely at over 500 degrees. I am going to be baking some chicken up in here, so it's the perfect temperature to get my skin nice and brown and crispy. The center cook plate, we have 490-ish degrees. Okay, in the middle of the cooktop, we are at about 536. Over here, we have a 500 and about the same. Okay, so actually directly over the firebox, like in this upper corner, you're gonna have a lower temperature, 340 degrees. Rear corner of the stove is going to have a 270 degree temperature. Oh, my onions are browning up quite quick here, which is nice. This cast iron pan picked up the heat. Let's read our temperature in our pan. So, right, so about 280 degrees in there. So my green beans, this is olive oil. In my green beans, I got some garlic salt in there. So we've got a nice slow simmer going. Perfectly seared. Look at that. So my pan searing temperature right now, I did move it over, but we're at good 320 so degrees to sear up the steak. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on our first burn, lighting the Nordica. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, click subscribe at our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.